Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is 5 digits number. In this lesson I will tell you what is the 5 digits number. In the previous lesson we have learned about the 4 digits number. Our topic is 5 digits number. 5 digits number. This is introduction of 5 digits number. In the previous lesson we learned about the 4 digits number. 4 digits number is called thousands. 4 digits number is called thousand. 5 digits number is called 10,000. Remember, 4 digits number is called thousand. 5 digits number is called 10,000. It's a 5 digits number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write it in a 5 digits number charts. We assign them in the rooms. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5 digits number is called 10,000. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Unit write as U. 10 T, 100 H, 1000 TH, 10,000 10 T, 1000 TH. 9 is unit. Write in a unit column. 6, 10, 2 hundreds, 4 thousands, TH, 3 10,000. We read as 34,269. 9 unit, 10, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. The place value of 3, 10,000. The place value of 3. Unit 10, 100, 1000. 40, 3, 1000, hundreds, 10 unit. Place value of 3. Place value of 4. Unit 10, 100, thousands. 4 hundreds, 10 units. The place value of 2. Ten units. The place value of 6. Unit. The place value of 9. 9 unit. 3 10,000. 4 thousands. 2 hundreds. 6 tens. 9 units. 5 digits number in words. 5 digits number in words. 34,269. 34,269. Now it's a 5 digits number. 61,243. Write in a number. 61 thousands, comma 61,200 and 43. $61,243. Insert comma in 5 digits number. In 5 digits number, the rule to insert comma in 5 digits, 4 digits and 6 digits number, starting from units, starting 3 digits from units, 3 digits from units, moving towards left. Starting from units, 3 digits, moving toward left. Starting from unit 1, 2, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 digits, moving towards left. Place value of circle digits. Place value of circle digits. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Place value of circle 2. Unit 10, 20, tens, 2 tens. Place value of 3. Unit 10s, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, three, unit 10, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Place value of 1. Unit 10, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. One, hundreds, tens, unit, tens, hundreds, thousand. I hope you will understand the topic of 5 digits number, writing in words, value of circle digits, insert commas in a number. Please subscribe my channel. Like the channel, share the video.